Hi everyone, I'm Cindy and welcome to my channel, and look what came in the mail today. The Etchr Lab Laminated Edition Studio Surface Edition, aka the May Mystery Pack. I had to Google this because I saw this and I'm like, wait, I did not order the Studio Surface Edition, but it is the May edition. I Googled it and they said for marketing purposes, this is the May edition. So, okay, good. I'm happy that it's the May edition. And it's heavy. It's heavy too. I am so beyond excited. Okay, let me open this up. Or let me try to open this up. All right. Let's see. Okay. Now I think this is going to be too big. Okay. All right, you know what I'm going to do? This is dominating my work area, literally. I'm going to put it aside, open it up, and take out the goodies one by one. So let me take out the one thing. Oh, look at, oh shoot. Portrait format. Laminated edition sketchbook. Yay! Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. All right, calm down. Portrait format, cold press, B5 size. I have no idea what the heck that is. 100% cotton, mixed media, deckled edge. 44 pages, 300 GSMs. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, so let's open this baby up. That's a nice first thing to take out of the package. All right, come on. All right. I'll just put that there. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right. I am seriously nervous now. Look at this. Look at this. I love the color. Color is awesome. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I want to open this though, because I don't know if it will affect the sizing. I'm not going to jump on it right now. But look at this. Just look at this. I could just sit and admire. And it has the deckled edge. I can see it. Wow, this is awesome. Okay. Put that aside. See what the other one is. Oh, the Surface Study Sketchbook Bronze, 7 by 7 inches square, mixed media, 44 pages and vegan friendly. Wow. Okay. Oh, how exciting is this? Oh, this is... Before this May Mystery Pack rocks. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Okay. Remove my long nails. Jeez, okay. Thank goodness for long nails. All right. The Surface Study Sketchbook Bronze Edition. Mixed watercolor papers. Okay, I gotta open this. I have to open this. I see different color papers there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, look at this. Look at this wonderfulness. If I could ever open this. Bronze edition. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. Okay. I'm curious. I love the color. I love the feel. It has that leather-like feel. What is it called? Look at this. Oh wow. It contains black paper. This is from mixed media. Oh, and this is watercolor paper. This feels cold press. Oh wow. So it's right. Oh wow. And I sound like a little kid. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is like hot press paper, or yeah, mixed media. It says it right here. Mixed watercolor paper. So they're watercolor paper. So this is smooth. This is hot press because it's smooth. Oh, look at this. And then there's the black paper. Wow. And then there's cold press, because I don't know if you can see it here. There's texture. It's not serious heavy duty texture, but it's texture. Wow. This is awesome. Oh. Seriously awesome. Wow. Okay. All right. Okay. Watercolor paper block, laminated edition, 6 by 6 inch square. This is awesome. Wow, look at that. 6 by 6 inches, 100% cotton, mixed media, 15 sheets, 300 GSMs, glued on 4 sides. Wow. I don't want to open this up yet because I'm not ready to work on it, but this rocks. I felt something else in there. The Swatch system, cold press. Swatch system. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Come on, nails. Come on, nails. That's why I glue you. Come on, nails. Open it. I know I'm so. Okay. There you go. There you go. All right. Oh. Need some inspiration? Scan the QR code. Okay. Watch and learn. Getting to know your paint's personalities. Okay, paints have personalities. All right. Didn't think about that, but okay. Wow, look at this. Oh, upside down. Look at this. Oh, shoot. How awesome is this? This is seriously awesome. Let me see. 30 sheets. Wow. This is great. Love, love, love this. This is awesome. Wow. Excellent. I think there's one last thing in here. Mini artwork card set. ACEO format. Oh, wow. 2.5 by 3.5 inches. 15 sheets, 300 GSMs. 100% cotton, mixed media, vegan friendly. Oh, how, oh, yeah, this is, you know how I love doing ACEOs. This is great. Yeah, I'm ACEO happy. Oh, look at this. This is great. This is awesome. Wow. I am so excited. I'm nervous. Isn't that something? Look at this. This paper just rocks. I swear. It is amazing. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. This blew me away. Totally blew me away. Okay, so this, beyond belief. Okay. I am seriously blown away by this. Like, wow. Wow. Okay. So there's 5 items here and I'm still in shock. Okay, I'll be all right. And each one is a home run. Each one. I'm wow. No words could express my beyond happiness here. This is so well worth it. This May edition, so well worth it. I am in shock. So, I mean, words cannot define how excited I am. This is beyond home run. This is like, seriously, grand slam. Home run. I mean, everything is great. Everything's awesome. This was actually $119. And I was on the fence for it for the longest time. But I finally relented. And I'm so happy I did give in to the charms of Etchr Lab and everything, because this is awesome. I have enough work here. I have enough I have enough stuff here to keep me busy for a very long time. So this might be the last mystery pack for a while. Yeah, I say that now. But I'm thinking of maybe the holiday edition. I'm gonna start saving up for that. But I'm still like, no words. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hit like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.